Hi, Adam Ring here with another edition of Innovative Automation's Cool Gadgets. This week we're featuring Yaskawa Electric America's F7 variable frequency drive, and it's made right here in the United States in Buffalo Grove, Illinois. Factory very well known for its very high quality procedures and standards that they live up to. It's really quite a sight to see. Now this particular drive comes in 1/2 horsepower all the way up to 500 horsepower. This would be one of the babies here, but we do also carry the really big guys all the way up to 500 horsepower, and they are available in both 240 volt as well as 480 volt versions depending on what your incoming power is. So this drive is dubbed the Industrial Workhorse, and that's because it can handle a wide variety of applications, from simple fans and pumps to conveyors to winders and unwinders or even spindles. We've got different modes that allow you to set up the drive specifically for the different types of applications. We also will notice on the design of the drive there's a split cover design, which allows you to very easily get access to the terminals for wiring it up to your application without exposing any high voltage components or potentially risking contact with a PC board where your screwdriver could slip and possibly damage it. You'll also notice, if I turn it on, we've got a 5-line LCD display that's actually displays in English or one of 7 different languages. It allows us to very simply go through and set up the parameters inside of the drive. And one of the neat things we can do with this is, with a simple RJ45 cable, we can remove this from the drive, plug in the cable, and now we can hold the drive in our hand and make the changes very simply. Or with the same cable, we can actually hook it to a PC with the Drive Wizard software that comes with every single unit and be able to save and set up the parameters as well as monitor the performance of the drive. So we have various options available with the F7 drive. We can communicate using Ethernet, DeviceNet, Profibus, or Modbus. And depending on what your application calls for, we can do custom software to specifically make this drive work with particular applications and plants called case software. So if there's one thing I can say about this drive is I know that it is built with the utmost highest quality. From installing several of these in my career, I can tell you firsthand that when you put this in an application, it just works. So one of the things is you get a 12-month warranty from the factory if you let one of Innovative Automation's Automation Support Group members install this and start it up for you. Then that actually adds an extra 12 months to the warranty. So a pretty cool deal there. You might think about taking us up on that. Now also, depending on whether you're buying this for a very simple application, a very hard application, this one drive will just do it all. So that's the summary of the F7 drive from Yaskawa Electric America. We'll see you next time on Innovative Automation's Cool Gadgets. Depending on what your incoming power is. Now this drive is dubbed the Industrial Workhorse. Cut.
What's next?
I don't know. Now if we take a look at one of the neat design somethings.
Dun, 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 dun.